Okay, MTSS coordinators, this is the third way that you can use Screencast. I forgot to mention in the first two videos that this is a free app. As long as you don't want the bells and whistles, this one is free. You can upload it to YouTube. You can save the links on your desktop, whatever it is that you're comfortable with. This is the last way that you can use Screencast. You can also there's the other two ways would be if you want to videotape yourself or if you just want to videotape a presentation. So this is a combination of both. It gives a little more personification to whatever it is that you're trying to videotape. So obviously I have my board in the background, and then I also have my presentation. The presentation is already pulled up. Obviously this is a 3-second put together presentation, but let's say that you're working in the skill bags, you're talking to those kinder families about directionality. You might want to have it, more formal and with, illustrations and text and video, whatever you want to put in this presentation. But you can also see yourself. So this one, is about directionality. The I do portion of it, you could show it and have more text on the actual presentation, or you could say, we're working on directionality, you need to go from left to right, whatever you want to be in that video. So basically what I'm doing is I had this video pulled up in present mode, and I went ahead and I'm using my keyboard down here to just move through. This is the I do, this is the we do. Like I said, you can give some examples of what the teacher should be doing or what that should look like as a parent. And then the you do portion of it, it just gives the parents a little bit more support when we're dealing with a remote situation. So like I said, I've used Screencast for quite a few years. It's easy to upload to your YouTube channel. The one thing, there is a little bit of lapse after it publishes. It takes a few minutes for it to show up in your videos, so don't freak out if you can't find it for a while. You just have to be patient. There are some different ways that you can edit the video within YouTube. You cannot edit it with the free portion of Screencast. So this is just the recording portion of it. Super easy to do. Up in the upper left-hand corner, you can't see it, but I can show you if we're in person. There's just a little blue button that I'm going to push when I'm done, and then it will let me watch it so that I make sure that it looks exactly the way that I want it to look. And then it'll ask me where I want to publish it. Boom, done. It's so easy. So like I said, this is just another option if you're wondering how we can provide support to those parents and kiddos. So hope you enjoyed them. Thanks.